highway like a fright, laughing 3 o'clock at night, with desert stars above. You know what we should do? We should do like that. Yeah. Oh, God. Singing Jimmy and Johnny songs. You felt pretty, I felt strong. And no one called our bluff, and love was a simple song. And I hold you all my life, like a memory at the back of my mind. Summers come and go so fast. You close your eyes, a moment's past, and another year's gone. Built our castles in the sand, a higher time ahead of the plans. But I'm still holding on, and love was a fragile song. And I'll hold you all my life, like a memory at the back. This is where you sing it like this. Yeah, let me hear you solo fast, sing like that, yeah. Where's my line guy? I thought we already sang that one. Oh, darling, darling, that's it. I'm gonna even modulate for this one because it's gonna be awesome. Darling, nothing stays the same. We were born without a name, and that's the way we'll die. Even when your memories fade, what we had is still ingrained. It's written down inside, and love was a timeless song. And I'll hold you all my life, like a child asking why. And I'll hold you all my life, like a memory at the back of my mind. Just a memory at the back of my mind. Julian Edwards, ladies and gentlemen. Our set list is blowing away. I'm trying to remember which ones I saw before they blew away.